Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious vanilla mousse cake. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring they are at room temperature for best results. We'll start by creating a tender vanilla sponge, which forms the perfect foundation for our creamy mousse. Then we'll move on to crafting the star of the show, a rich, yet incredibly light, vanilla mousse. Finally, I'll guide you through assembling and decorating your beautiful cake. For our cake base, we'll create a fluffy vanilla sponge. Begin by whisking eggs and sugar until light and creamy, then gently fold in your dry ingredients. Divide the batter into two 8-inch round pans and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once cooled, brush each layer with a simple vanilla syrup to keep them moist and flavorful, ensuring a delightful texture in every bite. Now for the star, our vanilla mousse. Start by blooming 1½ tablespoons of unflavored gelatin in 1/4 cup of cold water. Next, whisk together egg yolks, sugar, and milk in a saucepan, cooking over medium heat until the mixture thickens. Remove from heat, stir in the dissolved gelatin and vanilla, then let it cool completely. Finally, gently fold this cooled custard into freshly whipped heavy cream, being careful not to deflate the airy texture. To assemble your masterpiece, place one sponge cake layer into an 8-inch springform pan, ideally lined with an acetate sheet. Spread a generous, even layer of your vanilla mousse over the cake. Carefully place the second cake layer on top, pressing gently, and cover with the remaining mousse. Chill the cake in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow the mousse to set perfectly. For more great tips on managing your finances, check out the link in the description for a fantastic book, along with other deals. Once set, remove from the pan, decorate as desired, and enjoy your elegant vanilla mousse cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.